We are at Borgie's Burgers, one of the best burgers in Davao City. This is, as you can see, a very classic looking burger, double patty, American cheddar, secret sauce. Of course, you have your lettuce, you have your tomatoes, you get 2 slices of tomatoes. The beef patties are freshly prepared here. They grind their own beef, and it's done every day. Everything stays in place. Pag gumanyan, ayan o, pag napindot-pindot and the pindot marks stay, that's a good sign. You can taste the beefy goodness. It's not overpowered by the sauce. It's not overpowered by the seasoning. It's just the beefy goodness.
Our bestseller definitely is yung bacon mushroom cheeseburger. It has caramelized onions, mushroom, bacon. We try to make everything starting from scratch. Come visit us at Borgis Burger here at Salamis Gardens, Kabantian. We are open from Tuesdays to Sundays, 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. You can find us Grab or just contact us through our page, Facebook page. Thank you.